Para tamu yang terhormat, untuk menjaga kebersihan kabin dan kenyamanan Anda, awak kabin akan membantu Anda membuang sampah dari kantung kursi.
Good morning. It is Saturday, October 26, 2019. Currently at the airport once again, pressing forward east to Bali. It's pretty early right now. It's currently 6 o'clock and just waiting at the gate for my flight. Today marks the fourth leg of my trip. Oh, sorry, fourth leg of my trip. And gonna be heading to Bali for almost 2 weeks in various parts. So looking forward to this chilled week of not doing anything besides working on my rescue diver and then a couple of wreck dives, and then I'll become a master scuba diver. So looking forward to getting that done. And after that, I'll probably head over to Gili Islands to do some yoga, chill with Uncle Jay, who is joining me shortly. So it's gonna be an awesome week. Oh, forgot. Also, well, before Uncle Jay comes, Ged will be joining me for a couple of days, and we'll also be chilling, eating ice cream, and doing some running, whatever Bali life is. But anyhow, I'm gonna get some breakfast and catch you guys ahead in Bali. Ciao.
Ladies and gentlemen, to maintain the cleanliness of the cabin and for the guest comfort, the cabin crew will be coming around to collect the rubbish from the seat pocket in front of you and around your seat.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Arrived in Bali. I'm at the guest house right now. I'm at Joni's guest house, or his aunt's place, and it's pretty nice. Got my own individual room. There's some actual construction going on there, so hope you guys don't mind the noise. But it has a small pool, decent size. Nothing too crazy. I won't be spending much time there because I'll be in class all day tomorrow and actually the whole week, so I won't be doing much anything here besides studying. There is Wi-Fi, but it's a little weak, so I got to move to this area. Currently, that has no one. So not bad, pretty nice, very quiet. Again, the roosters are still haunting me from 2 years ago. But other than that, it is a beautiful place. Bali is very nice as usual, and while driving up, a lot of major road improvements, so a little bit better than before, but still you had a lot of traffic. So what's included in this guest house is free breakfast every morning, and that's pretty much it. There's TV, there's Wi-Fi. Like I said, Wi-Fi is a little weak. There's a bunch of restaurants along the roadside. The beaches on that side. I'm just trying to figure out how to get there. And there is a sidewalk, and I will probably do some running after my scuba diving, not during the day, because it is as you can see, look at the sky, not a cloud in the sky, and the sun is beaming down. It will burn you. Even stepping on that right there will burn you. And burn your feet. You can probably cook eggs on this. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I'm here. My SIM card doesn't work. My data plan, Ged, it's not working. Please fix it somehow. I have 16 gigs and I don't even know how to get it to work. For some reason it doesn't work in Bali. It was working previously when I was in Yogyakarta. So I don't know, maybe I'll just go buy my new SIM card later on if they have them around. But other than that, I gotta start studying. Tomorrow's in-class scenarios, dive scenarios, and I got like 10 lessons that I gotta go through. So I gotta hammer those down, figure out how to save someone in the ocean, and go from there. Other than that, yeah, I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Bye. Ooh, the jacuzzi jets just turned on, so probably jump in there a little bit later. I was scouting for some real estate. I gotta talk to Joni and get about this real estate business down here. It's nice here. It's quiet. Like the area I'm in right now, Candidasa. It's probably 3.5 hours out of the town, and it's a beach town. Well, it's a beach town pretty much. There's a bunch of little resorts, a bunch of resorts. There's like a lot of restaurants, scuba diving. One of the ports that I scuba dive out of is just down the corner, like way down there somewhere. So that's easy access. So yeah, gotta start thinking of how to get myself down here permanently and enjoy this amazing weather. Even though it's really hot, I still like it. It's amazing. Anyways, time for some book time. Let's start on that. Hopefully the internet works out here. And I'll see you in a few hours, few days, or not. Alright, ciao. What's up, guys? Oh, just had to run. It is first. Oh, let's get some light here. First run since a while, and as you can see, it's hot. So hot. Only ran. Stop. 4K. Ran basically out until there was no sidewalk left, came back, went around the Lily Pond Lake, went all the way, I don't know where I was going until there was no sidewalk left, and then I came back, and then a short cool down, walked up the wrong place to the wrong residence, and they're like, "What's this guy doing here?" But I made it back, and it's so hot. Oh, good heat training though. Oh gosh. Whew. Sun is setting. Day is almost over. That water is looking good, but I think I'm just gonna jump into the shower inside. It's basically an outdoor shower. It feels like a sauna in there, so it's pretty good. They should put some chairs in there. Joni, put some chairs in there and more racks where you can hang stuff. But, alright, gotta get a shower and then cool down and maybe walk out, check out the lily pond, find some grub, and then that's it for today. Did I get any studying? A little bit. So minor. I can't remember. I can't retain any of the stuff. So, good luck to me tomorrow. Anyways, guys, I'll check you guys out tomorrow. All right, bye.